Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oxfordmathseries. Today we are solving an interesting math problem involving squares, triangle and a circle. Let's get started. Here I am writing area's formula according which area of a circle is equal to pi r square. To find r, we need to find sides of triangle. To find the side length of red square, here we will take area of red square, which is 100 square centimeter. So as we know, area is equal to length square is equal to 100 is equal to length square. Applying both sides square root, we get L is equal to 10 centimeter. So the hypotenuse of the triangle is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we are working for green square's side. As we know, green square's area is equal to 64 square centimeter. Same as above, area is equal to L square. It means 64 is equal to L square. Applying square root both sides, we get length of side of green square is equal to 8 centimeter, which is the perpendicular of our triangle. Now it's time to use Pythagoras theorem, according which we can find any side of our triangle if we have given two sides of triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, c square is equal to a square plus b square. Substituting values, we get 10 square is equal to 8 square plus b square. It means 100 minus 64 is equal to b square. It means b is equal to 6. Applying square root, we get b is equal to 6 centimeter, which is base of our triangle. So now we have three sides of triangle. By using these measurements, we can find the average side of the triangle. Here we will use our side formula, according which side is equal to a plus b plus c, our 2. It means s is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 10, our 2. It means 24, our 2 is equal to 12. Now we can find radius of circle. Here we will use another formula, according which r is equal to square root s minus side 1 times s minus side 2 times s minus side 3, our s. It means r is equal to 12 minus first side, which is base 6 times 12 minus 8 times 12 minus 10, which is third side of our triangle, our 12, which is average side measurement. So here we get r is equal to 12 minus 6 times 4 times 2 means 48. Our 12 is equal to 4, and by taking a square root of 4 we get 2. So it means the radius of circle is equal to 2 centimeters. Now we can find the area of circle by using our formula. Area is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to pi's value 3.14 times r square. It means 2's square. Area is equal to 2's square means 4. 4 times 3 means 12.566 square centimeters. So the area of the blue circle is 12.566 square centimeter. If you like video, then please subscribe my channel to keep support.